Hey guys, this is Des with T-Mobile, and today I'm here to unbox the new LG K51 LTE smartphone in 90 seconds. So let's get into it. First, let's start with the K51's key features. It's got a triple camera system on the back, a 6.5-inch HD Plus full vision screen, and it rocks T-Mobile's LTE network. It also comes equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it uses USB-C for charging. Now, let's see what's in the box. Of course, you've got the LG K51, a T-Mobile SIM card, start guide, wall charger, and USB-C charging cable. The LG K51 runs Android 10 out of the box, and it's equipped with a 13-megapixel selfie camera on the front. The K51 has a big 4,000 mAh battery, and in my short time with the phone, I'd say it's got a nice look and feel with good specs at an affordable price. Well, it looks like I'm out of time. The LG K51 is now available from T-Mobile, so for more information, check it out at T-Mobile.com. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next. Nice.